Shell and tube type condenser. Semi-hermetic compressor. Wire mesh type condenser. Thermal insulations and lubrications.